Okay, here's question number 4. We have again another numerical expression containing exponents. 5 is the base, -3 is the exponent. We call this expression because this is a math problem that doesn't have an equal sign. Numerical because we're only using numbers. Evaluate means we're going to simplify. Now, how do you work it out, simplify? A numerical expression that has a negative exponent. You're going to apply the negative exponent rule, this rule right here. Okay, one of the law of exponents, the negative exponent rule or law that basically says that every time you have a base other than 0 that contains a negative exponent, what you're going to do is you're going to flip the base, that's called a reciprocal, and you're going to give back the exponent to the base, but positive. So for example, in the problem that we have here, the 5 to the -3rd power, what I'm going to do, let me write this out, okay? What I'm going to do, 5 to the -3rd power, you're going to imagine there's a 1 under the 5, okay? And reciprocal means flip the base. So the 1 that was on the bottom now going to be on the top. The 5 that was on the top now is going to be on the bottom. And the exponent, -3, okay, you're going to make it positive and give it back to the base 5. And then once you do that, you're going to use your calculator and you're going to find out how much is 5 to the 3rd power. And that you can use this calculator called Desmos Scientific. You're going to press the 5. You're going to click the key that says AB. And you can see the cursor is now on the top right corner of the 5. And you put exponent 3. And the final answer here is 125. Now, that's for 5 to the 3rd power. What I want to make sure you remember here is that 5 to the 3rd power is on the bottom of the fraction. The top remains the same. You're going to have the 1 there. And that's what I'm going to type here. 1 over 125. And I'm going to check my answer. And that's how you work problem number 4.